In the last video, we took a look under the hood into the agent debug logs in the chat debug view. And this video, our goal is to put everything that we've seen in these series of videos and build something using plan mode. So let's dive right in. Alrighty, let's put everything we learned together. I have a brand new project. You can see here, if I open my agent debug logs, there's nothing here. If I open my show chat debug view, we only have the list of the models and then content exclusion, nothing else. Fantastic. So I'm going to open up GitHub Copilot Chat and I'm going to select plan mode. As you saw previously, we were building a URL shortener. We did some CLI stuff, but then we're like, no, we want to refactor to an API, and then we wanted to build a front end. And yeah, there was a lot of sort of scattered work. Ideally, we would just outline it in a plan, go have a back and forth, right? So I'm going to go ahead and dictate here what I want. Let's create a URL shortener using Python 3.14, SQLite 3 built-in Python module, and use UV for dependency management. Also create a very simple front end with HTML and static files. The front end should have a field where we can type in the URL we want shortened. And then at the bottom of that, just an element that will display the shortened URL that we can click on, and that will be opened in another tab. Let's keep the UI minimal. Great. And I think for a plan that is fine. I'm going to scooch this over a little bit here. And this model's fine. The thinking effort is fine as well. I'm going to go ahead and send this here. And another thing I forgot, but I do want to add here is, can we also have a UI element that allows us to provide the short URL and it tells us what the original URL is? And then I am going to send this off, but actually here we have a functionality of plan mode, which is to ask us questions to better understand what we're trying to implement, right? And it's asking the web framework. I do want to use fast API. That's correct. And how should the short URL slug be generated? And random short string or hash of URL. Actually here, we're going to say use base 62 for encode / decode. And can we also have a UI element here? And we're going to go ahead and send this up follow up. This will allow the plan to now consider the messages that I sent as clarification, right? So the goal is for you to outline your work. This is kind of one of the more popular methods where you're focused on planning your work, fully understanding what to implement before actually switching over to the implementation of the work here. So I'm going to take a look here. A minimal URL shortener, that looks good. UV core, that looks good. Backend, that looks good. Encode, that looks fine. All right. And vanilla, perfect. That looks good. Okay, great. That actually looks fine. Now we can, for the implementation, we can click on Start Implementation. This will also allow us to continue in the cloud or in Copilot CLI. We can also go ahead and click Start with Autopilot, which will essentially set this to Autopilot. And I'm just going to click Start with Autopilot. So this switches over to agent mode. It switches it into Autopilot mode. And this means all the commands that it needs to run are going to be auto approved, right? And I'm going to switch into chat debug mode. We see things are being added here. And then in our agent debug logs, we can see that tool calls and all that good stuff is being added here as well as the agent is working. Now we can see it has a task list here. It's got 2 of 7. And then I can also steer here if I wanted to. I can say something like, make sure the UI has a dark theme. Here we go. And again, we have the option to stop and send, add to queue, or steer with message. I'm going to go ahead and steer with message. And then we may or may not see this to do sort of change, right? So right now it's outlined the first init UV, create base 62, create database, create main.py. So it's continuing there, right? The user wants a dark theme for the UI. Let me continue with the implementation to make sure the CSS has a dark theme. And it's going to create main main.py, the style.css, and the static index HTML. So it's continuing the work here. And we see it's updated its to do for the create static style.css to dark theme, right? So you can also make these changes as it continues to work. So I'm going to actually create this, or close this, I should say, and then close this here just so it's a little less distracting. But as you know, if you ever want to dive into what is going on, all the cool calls to the LLM, all the tool calls and such, you can do so by reviewing those debug views here. So we're going to let this run. I'm going to go ahead and expand our session here, and I'm going to create a new one. We can run this on local, and we can say something simple like write a README on our project, right? And then we could send this off, and then this is running, and now we see both sessions are running, so we can focus on either one really. Now this one looks like it's verifying startup, which means it should be close to being done. And then we can see that the README is working through reading all the files that it needs to create this proper README, or the README session, I should say. All right, so I'm going to move this over here, and I'm going to expand the terminal area, and then I'm going to click on the hidden terminal because that is where the agent is running its commands at the moment. And it looks like it executed the command in the terminal. It ran everything, and it should be just about ready to wrap up its work. Now we're going to be running this command in a second, so I'm just going to cut. Oh, it looks like it ran it once more. And it is running a proper get redirect test. Fantastic. Let's give that a moment to finish. All right, it looks like it has tried to shorten the github.com/feature/copilot URL. Fantastic. So it looks like it is running. We'll open this one up. Yeah, it looks like it's still running. It told us here the dev server is running at here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up in the browser. All right, now this is clean looking. I'm going to go ahead and provide a URL shortened. Fantastic. So if I click on to this here, open a new tab, it is correctly routing. Fantastic. And let's say I want to look up and fantastic. It works exactly as expected. And that is it for this video. We understand how plan mode works. We understand that we can have a back and forth conversation with the agent before actually implementing any work. We can provide clarifications. We also were able to steer the direction there. And then finally, we are able to kind of see the end results of everything put together. Now, that is it for this introductory section of videos, but we're going to dive deeper into the GitHub Copilot CLI, into customizations of your agents, into using MCP servers, and a bunch more. So you have the foundation here, and now you feel free to explore all the other topics that we have.